Today we're looking at a pair of Vionic sneakers. Now, if you don't know what Vionic sneakers are, they're an awesome company that came out with shoes, their own line, with built-in orthotics or correction for your feet. That's what they're like. That's how they make them. It's got a really nice quality made sneaker. It's got a nice quality arch in here, so you get that really nice support when you're walking. These are leather upper. They're all branded. It says Vionic on the actual sneakers themselves. Now, the quality of these, like I said, are fantastic. You can see how they're made. They got some reflections on here, so when you're walking or running at night, you can wear these. I like that as well. Also in the back, you can see how they're well made. The soles are really, really nice. Good gripping, really nice quality sneaker. Now, some of the information on the sneakers that you can get these in wide or regular width. You can also get them in men's and ladies. So everybody's available. All the different options are available. Again, 100% leather. The premium full grain, water resistant leather upper. With the upper, this is not a slip-on, this is a lace. You have to tie these up, which is important. It has a built-in orthotic motion controlled footbed, which controls the arch and the walking. When you deep heel and you're walking with your shoe, it's got a good tight flex here, so you can see that. So you get a good bounce when you're walking. Again, these are wide shoes. They also have them in medium and regular width. Again, this is what they look like here in the back. You can see that the soles, the really nice quality. You can just see the ridging here. You can do the flex test on these. You can twist these. These are really nice and stiff, which is when you're walking and you're running, you really need that high quality built shoe. It's got the midsole, which is great, built-in 5-inch elevation. And for the smooth transition from heel to toe when you're doing toe striking, when you're walking from toe to heel, that's what that means. And again, it's all built in. Fantastic comfort. The company designed these to help people with their posture and give them the best support when they're walking. You can see the upper here is all soft inside. All here, you can see here how it's all made. A lot of cushion just grabs the ankle. And then it snugs up and holds the shoe in tight. That's how this is designed. Again, it's got the nice reflection. This is the black. And this is a really nice quality shoe. Like I said, I've been wearing these for quite a while and never had an issue at all. Now, just make sure you have they do run a little small on the wide. They don't come in extra wide. So if you're either a medium or a wide, it should be okay for you. If you're an extra wide, this probably won't work. Just so you know, that's just been my experience when I tried this different shoes on. I need wide at least. Since some wide are wider and some extra wides aren't wide enough, so it all depends on the manufacturer. But these are pretty much true to size. These are a wide, and they do work quite well. And that's what I have here. So I just wanted to show you these beautiful sneakers from Vionic. Hope you enjoyed the review. If I brought you some value, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel that you're watching on. Don't forget to like and share. It means a lot to me. I really do appreciate that. And I definitely go ahead and recommend these. These have been around for a while, this company. They've proven themselves. They're on national TV. They're everywhere. So they definitely do stand up. And they stand behind their product. You get an unconditional 30-day guarantee. Something you don't like them, definitely no problems returning them. And there shouldn't be no issue whatsoever. Hope you enjoyed the review. Again, thanks for watching.